What's up guys, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm teaching how to play ngometi. Okay, kufisa wami yikho ke. Okay, noma ithi kuze kube phakade. Okay. It's a simple song nayo. It goes like this. Icilongo iyadida kodwa abanye. So yeah, I'm not sure noma male beat. I'm just gonna play it with you, but okay. Okay, breaking it down guys, it goes like this. Okay, breaking it down, let me check. Oh, it's still recording. Okay, breaking it down, it's very much it's simple. Okay, I'll play where I know it. Okay, C sharp. Okay, while we are still there guys, make sure you, if you want to buy an XPS 10, just go to www.partners.co.za. The link is in the description guys. Use my discount code as you can see on the screen, XPS itende. So as you saw guys, that I was hosting Roland competition here in KZN. I'm working with Roland in selling these XPS 10s guys. If you buy this XPS 10, you're gonna get a discount if you use my discount code or coupon code. It's XPS itende. So they ship to you. Just buy and they will ship to you. When you, if you like, you can purchase and go pick it up on their stores. But just check if currently at the store that you want to go to, you can, is it available there. Other than that, you need to ship from warehouse to your house straight. Yeah, they'll ship the keyboard straight to your house, delivery free. That's it guys, 100% legit. I'm the one who's been working with these guys directly from Roland. Roland gave worked with partners so that we can get discount when we want to buy XPS 10s. They gave me this XPS 10 for free guys, for so that I can show you how beautiful this thing is. So it's mine. I didn't buy it, but I've been helping people buy theirs. Okay, out from there. Okay, now let's okay, the discount is 1300 on the keyboard, so it's a very huge discount. Yeah, so after discount currently it's 8,750. It's been 8,300 for a long time, but people haven't been buying it. So if you want to buy an XPS 10, there is a video that I made here, but I'm just gonna make more videos, more videos teaching how to buy from partners, how to buy this XPS 10. Simple as that. Okay. You can also text me on WhatsApp, I'll help you. That's it, guys. Okay, moving on. Okay, I'll just play teach with the verses that I know. Siphinde futhi. Record. Okay, guys. Phazamisekile there. Okay. Vale isikufisa kwami. Guys, now lezi ngoma lezi yadidana, so yeah ngiyazi lo mihamba kanjani lelo verse. Yeah, but it's a simple song, guys. That's it. Subscribe to my channel, like the video. That's it, guys. Yeah, guys, ngidlala as simple slowly as possible. Yeah, that's it. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, guys. Iyona into engiyidingayo, ngiyanicela izingane zenkosi, ngiyanicela bazalwane. Amen. That's it. Subscribe, like, share guys ukuthi there is a channel like this. Anyone ofuna ukufunda keyboard, umngane wakho, umuntu wasekhaya, anyone, please share. That's it guys. Anyone ofuna ukuthenga XPS 10 directed to mina. That's it guys. Thanks. See you on the next tutorial.